Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to provide safe YouTube viewing by using a website called Safe YouTube. I'm going to also demonstrate how to add a link within Schoology so that your students and or teachers can go ahead and open up that YouTube video without having all the distractions. As you can see on the right, there's several videos and there's lots of comments, and we want to get rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead and select the hyperlink, right-click and choose Copy, go to the site called safeyoutube.net. I'm going to right-click in this area and choose Paste, Generate Link, and where it says Copy, I will choose Copy, and that copies that hyperlink. I will then go to Schoology, and if I want to add a link, I would go up to the Add Materials, Add File, Link, or External Tool. I will click on Link in this case. I will right-click in the area where it says Link URL, and I will choose Paste. I will title it, and then I will choose Add. Now when the students come in and open up that blended learning, they will see the video without all the distractions. So for example, if the students were to expand it, it would open it in a new window, which students often do, and you can see there's no distractions and there's no comments. This concludes the session on how to provide a safer YouTube experience for your students. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.